Hi, my name is Susan. I want to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check the heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here, I put in your website and then I head down here to your header tags and you'll see you actually have no H1 heading tags. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website, which in your case would be instead of Atlas or maybe even above it, like here elevating the standard, it's the first thing Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is called the metadata. So the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Santa Rosa tree service. You'll see all these blue lines. These are the metadata. And you can actually see that the top guys here, they're talking about Santa Rosa tree service. And that's why they're at the top. Right now, if you go and check out your title page, you don't have a meta description. Your title page is intro page Atlas tree. So I bet if you Googled intro page Atlas tree, then you'd be at the top spot because Google sees that and thinks that's what your page is about. So if somebody were to Google that, you'd be at the top. But obviously, no one's going to know to Google that when they're looking for a tree service. They're going to Google things like Santa Rosa tree service, Santa Rosa tree trimming, or a similar keyword. Those are just a couple of things I want to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't go to Google, because if you go to Google and start Googling yourself, I think I actually found you here on you're on page 4 here. And if you start Googling yourself, slowly, Google's going to start moving you up because they're going to see that you keep checking for Santa Rosa tree service, and they're going to start moving you up. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I actually use Rank Tracker. If you want, you can get a free subscription. You don't have to, but I put in your URL here and your keyword here, and you can see that you're actually not ranking for like any keywords. And this tracks your rank every single day. You're down here on like page 4, exactly where we found you. But you know what? You can really change these super fast if you just add your H1 and metadata based on your main keyword. And I see on your website that you do other things like landscaping, things like that. We can fix your website, make it more appealing, but more importantly, get you ranked to the first page of Google, which really could double your income because it's where, honestly, 80 to 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time and I wish you much success.